Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the DNS probe finished bad config error on Google Chrome. This error usually occurs when there is a problem with internet connectivity. First, make sure your internet is working properly. If it is, but Chrome still shows the error, then follow the steps below. Step 1, open command prompt as administrator. Go to the Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes. Step 2 releases your current IP configuration. Releases your current IP configuration. Displays full network configuration info. Flushes the DNS cache. Renews your IP address. Resets your DNS settings. Resets the winsock catalog. Once all commands have been executed, restart your PC to apply the changes. Open Google Chrome to verify if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.